There he is. Wow, what a hectic moment here. Good afternoon and welcome to this episode of the Rockin' Family Outdoors. On today's episode, we are out here on the river. Hopefully we're going to catch us some big old kitty cats. Right now we're going to head our way as far upriver as we can and then start fishing our way back, hitting spot after spot. So let's hope we can catch us some big old kitty cats. Y'all stay tuned. Comes after. Look, my line is my sight. Oh, cool. Yep. Oh, whoa, whoa. I gotta get around that tree. I gotta get around the tree. Yep. Yeah, about to be in a wild mess around that tree.
You need to step out of the boat?
No, I need to go out there. You got me right around. Get in the boat.
Me?
Yes.
2 seconds on me.
Get in the boat, push us off.
Yeah. All right, give me 2 seconds to get everything.
Still on there.
This is not going to be easy, Howie. Scoot, scoot. Hold on, same time, come on. Here, let me get out.
Yeah, push off.
Okay. Hold on. Look. No. Just do your thing. Just do your thing. I'm gonna be right here on the shore. Don't go too far out because I got my
Oh crap. Whoa. Oh crap. I'm in a world of hurt. I'm gonna do this. I think so. Yep. There he is. Oh, y'all. Wow, what a hectic moment here. Whew. Come on, cat. Get over there. Yeah. What a hectic moment. What a hectic moment, y'all. Yes.
All right. Pretty big. Look at him.
Yeah, it's a good fish. Should have had these out already.
All right, we're sitting out here for 3 hours and we ain't caught nothing. Not even a bite.
Okay. He big man. He big man.
I think I caught him jumping out of the water.
There we go. All right. Nah, he's looking good. Woo! Oh, he mean. He big man.
You want to step out?
Man. Y'all, that's what I'm talking about. That is what I'm talking about. Jeez, what a hectic moment. But hey, I seen that ducker flop out in the water like, like he was a whale. Shoo. Oh, take a deep breath for a second. Man, I had to jump in the boat, got there, and I seen where he wrapped around a tree, and I was able to just twirl it, and he flopped out of the water. Whew. Man, my heart was pumping. That's why I fish. There ain't no drug in the world that can give you what just happened. Let's let this guy go. Jeez. All right. Thanks for playing, guys. Hey, y'all. We didn't get skunked. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Jeez. Caught him on a live bluegill. All right, let's see if we can get us another.
We're gonna stay here. We're gonna go somewhere else.
We'll give this 10 more minutes and we'll an end of the live bluegill.
We're moving.
Oh, nice. Nice.
Is that another blue?
Barely hooked. Barely hooked.
Be careful getting them in.
Barely. I mean, he's yo. And the hook just fell out. Oh, God. Whoa, whoa. All right. So, whew. Hey, y'all, we've been fishing all afternoon. It's took a while, but you know, the last two spots we got 2 fish, both on the cut bait. So, yeah, he's a blue. He's a blue. Nice fish too. All right, buddy. I appreciate you. You ready to let him go?
Yeah, let them go. You don't want to eat them?
Huh?
You don't want to catch, clean, cook? You know Paula's going to say something to me at work.
Not today. It's going to be late by the time we get back in.
All right.
We'll let him survive today. But thanks for playing, guy. We'll see you again soon. Go get bigger.
All right.
Yeah, I would do a little bit more catch, clean, cooks, but about the only way I really like catfish is fried, and me and Amber are on a diet, so I've been doing.
I will break my diet for some fried, catfish.
You say that after I let it go. But yeah, I'm on the carnivore diet, and I just really can't eat fried foods right now. So, but that's okay. We'll have a cheat day.
YOLO.
Now that Amber said that.
YOLO.
So, huh?
So you gonna die and not have fried catfish?
You wanna stay here or move?
It's your call.
Getting kind of late. Let's get a little bit closer to the boat ramp.
They know we're here now, so it's probably better to move. You got something on that one too? What?
Whoa, whoa. Is there a fish on there? There sure is, dude. There's a fish on there. Y'all, while we're sitting there playing with that fish, I'm glad he cut the stinky camera off, because here's another one. Oh. Yo, this is... So, I'm sitting there thinking, why is that line moving? Oh my God. It's a nice one too. It ain't little.
Oh, it was deep. Oh,
Flatty! The flatty! Oh my God! I'm so happy now. I'm so happy. We caught a fatty. Oh. Oh. Oh, my God. Bruh, you just made the day, bro. You just made the day. Y'all, this has been a crazy fishing trip. For one, that the first fish, we was thinking we had to go chasing after because he's stuck under a log, catch a nice blue, and I look back and I noticed my line swimming off, and I'm getting ready to leave. And look, we got us a flatty. Man, that's so awesome. And he's not a mondo, but I tell y'all what, man, this right here has made my day right here. That's awesome. That's crazy.
And that is the craziest thing.
Dude, so crazy, bro. All right, man. Well, I need you to grow to be a giant, okay?
We'll be back for you.
I need you to be the world, not world, oh, I guess state record, at least world record possible, okay? So, got a flatty, y'all. That's so awesome. Hey, man, thanks for playing, buddy. Ain't he majestic? That's so awesome. Yeah, this is why I do it, guys. This is so much fun. I tell y'all what, there ain't nothing out there in the world that can compare to this. You know, me and Amber were talking earlier today, boats zipping by, and they just, you know, I get it, people love the boat and they love the, but who could be on a water like this and not go after these majestic fish? You know what, and the heck with bass fishing. I tell you what, the heck with bass fishing, all my kids, Caleb, everybody talks crap. Oh, how he chases them catfish. The heck with bass fishing. I done said it. So if y'all can, man, I tell y'all what, I'm so happy right now. I'm just motoring on. Stay here for 10 more minutes or no?
Sure call.
It's getting late. Let's move a little further.
Okay.
Hey, at least we know a honey hole is spot here. Yeah, so we're battery's out of juice. So we're about to paddle our way back. Try to get back before dark. So it's fun and interesting trip. All right, start back. Y'all, these nice people is helping us out with a tow. Hey, I can't complain. We anybody wants to donate me a gas motor, that'd be great. Or just subscribe to my channel, and then hopefully we start making money doing this and we can buy us a motor. But anyway, just y'all watching means the world to me, so we really appreciate all the support. Well, that was a crazy wild fishing trip. It was awesome. Even when I was broke down, I had to paddle for a mile, almost 2 miles to get back to the ramp. We were blessed someone helped us. What an awesome day. I appreciate everybody's support. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and we will see y'all on the next one.